She like 5'1", honey, hella fine, low key, shorty mad, whoa, that's the shit we on. Looking natural, self-love, it's a good thing, smell like ass.
What's good, curly headed cuties? Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought, why not go back to my roots and go back to showing y'all some of my favorite styles to do, whether I'm going somewhere or I'm not. You know, a lot of us, well, me, I'm still in quarantine, so I get kind of bored a lot with my hair, so I'm always doing something, whether or not it's just I'm bringing my ponytail a little bit higher today or a little bit lower the next day. It's always something, and school's finna start for me, and actually I have some hybrid classes. If y'all want me to, I will update y'all on that, but I have hybrid classes, so part of the class is online, and the other part of the class I actually have to go into the school, so I'm commuting to UTA, so I need to get practicing and getting my hairstyles in order so I can look halfway decent even though I'm gonna have a mask on. So today I'm doing a style, as you see in the thumbnail, a style that actually was requested, highly requested on my Snapchat. I've been wearing it for a couple days now, so I just wanted to show you guys, instead of doing it the regular way, this is just, I mean, it's still technically the regular way, but it's just a little bit more comfortable for me. So this is like a super duper duper old wash and go. I did this wash and go last week, in the beginning of the week, so pretty soon it's gonna be time for me to wash it, but works best on like really stretched and old styles. So the only thing that you're going to need is bobby pins and then a headband. Mine is a little overstretched, but it still gets the job done. So and a headband, and then, you know, your gel, your brush, all that stuff, any accessories that you want to add. So first thing I'm going to show you guys is my favorite, like gives you pretty much the same effect as the slick back puff look, but just not as tight, and then your puff also, it allows your puff also to look bigger. So I'm just gonna show y'all an example of what my puff looks like when I actually put it into a ponytail and how small it actually is. Even though my ponytail is not super slick, but this is how small my puff is on the regular. If I was to just do a regular ponytail, it's nothing wrong with it, but I just like my hair to look really big and really full. My bad, y'all, I had to go get my AirPods. I'm listening to church service in my AirPods. But so I got my water. This is just the regular routine. Spray it back up a little bit. And I got my olive oil Eco. Get the slicking. And for the people who don't know, for me, it's really hard for me to wear like super tight ponytails, because like my kitchen area is so like tender. When I say kitchen, I mean back here for the people who don't know. But yeah, my kitchen area is so tender. Like even when I get my, like when I used to get my hair done and my mom used to braid my hair up and stuff like that, she had to like do it loose in the back, because I don't know why, like that part of my head is so tender. This is like my really favorite method, because when I do regular ponytails or puffs or whatever you want to call them, I normally will put them in the regular way, and then after I get done, I'll start pulling my hair out in the back so that it's not tight, and then I'll have like lumps in the back, but like I don't be caring because it be super tight. I'm gonna take my headband, put it under just like the regular way, and I like my overstretched headband because sometimes when the headband is like new and fresh, it starts to like roll, and your hair starts to roll with the headband, and then sometimes it'll pull like little strands of your hair, and it's like really painful. So let me start pushing it back and tightening, and just push it up some in the back. Okay. Lost my grip. Pull it back to about like the crown of my head, And once again, that's why it's so comfortable for me, because my headband is so stretched out already that it's not like trying to snatch my hair back up, if that makes sense. If you've ever just tried this method with a new headband, you already know what I'm talking about. But it's literally right here, and sometimes my hair gets a little loose, so I'll just get a couple bobby pins. You could do bobby pins, clips, really up to you. When I'm being lazy, I just do bobby pins. Take my fingers, slick it back, and bobby pin right where the headband is. And nobody can see the headband, especially because it's black anyway. From here, it's up to you. You can use your pick to fluff your puff. Or just use your hands. I just use my hands. But y'all see how much of the difference that is? That my puff looks freaking huge. I call this the faux puff because it's a puff, but it's not really a puff. Technically, like, my hair is in a half ponytail. Then you can proceed, do your little edges, get it popping. Once again, this style is like, if you don't have a problem with a puff and it hurting your head, or you getting a headache or whatever, do the regular method or just do a regular ponytail if you want to. But this method is for people who like have, like I said, issues with the ponytail, with the puff, or you just want your puff to look bigger and more full. And like I said, it's an old wash and go, so my hair is like super stretched, but like it's still giving ponytail. And I also like that it gives me coverage on the sides. Sometimes when my ponytail is too slick and too far back, it tends to look like I don't have any, like I don't have no hair until I turn my head, and then you can see like my little puff in the back. So I really like that it gives me coverage on the sides as well. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. Like, this is the gem, to be honest. This is the first faux puff. Now let me take this out, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do my next favorite puff ponytail. Now on to the next puff ponytail style. Okay, so these are pretty much all the same style, but just different methods, or my updated methods. So I'm just re-slicking. Okay, and for this ponytail, I actually love to use this little frilly scrunchie. I don't even know what these are called, but like I just remember in like grade school, people used to always wear these on their wrist and they never actually put them in their hair. So flip the hair up first, or pull the hair up first. I like to stretch the back, pull it up, stretch the back, pull it up, stretch the back, pull it up. So everything is up here, like so. And I literally just put it like at the, I guess this is this the crown of my head? I think it is. Right back there. Tie the scrunchie around once, and then twice. Make sure the hair is all the way through. And it's like kind of like a halfway up puff, but once I get the ponytail up there, just pull, kind of flip it out. And because this scrunchie is like so much different than a regular hair tie, it's way more looser, that you can actually fluff your hair to your liking. So like I said, I just fluff, and I like it because it's not at the top of my head, it's more so like midway, halfway up. Then you fix your edges. And honestly, these styles have been like my besties, especially because for the most part I'm usually at home, and when I'm at home and I don't have nowhere to be cute, or I don't have no reason to be cute, I don't like hair in my face. I will not wear my hair out at the house, because who am I looking cute for? My 3-year-old brother? Like, come on. And this method is like so much easier. You don't need, if you don't have a brush or whatever, say you did a wash and go and you wearing your hair out and then you go out in public and you're tired of your hair being out, like, this method is very easy. You ain't gotta be strategic about it. You can just throw it up there. That's why I really love this method, because I always have a scrunchie with me, and it's always one of these frilly scrunchies, so I can always throw my hair up if I need to. So this is my next puff. It's one of my faves, period. And honestly, I probably wear this one more because the other one sometimes has like hair on my neck and stuff. And like I said, I don't be in the mood. I live in Texas. It's hot all the time. So a lot of the times I just rather my hair off my neck. And like, this still gives me the puff coverage that I need. Period. Okay. So obviously, for my high puff, I do the same exact thing. I just bring everything forward, and I just use my hands to stretch the hair up. And just bring the ponytail way forward. Same scrunchie. And through. But for this one, the second time I pull it through, I want to stack this part over this part. So if you guys seen my previous video on my high puff, getting my high puff right, and I did it with a bandana. This is pretty much the same method, but I'm just using the scrunchie that's like now my new fave. Once it's up there and it's stacked, just fluff it up. So I'm actually gonna have to back up for y'all because my puff is so high. And there she is. Okay, let's see. Yeah, y'all see this puff? Y'all see it? It's like, nah, let me stop playing. But nah, definitely my favorite puff method. Update, my favorite updated puff. Y'all see this? And it's so easy. Literally, these puffs should not take you more than 3 minutes each. Like, this video was so much, like, it happened so much quicker than I was expecting. But literally all of these styles are super easy. Some of y'all would think like these are self-explanatory styles, but honestly it just takes with playing with your favorite tools and little accessories and stuff that you have at the house to figure out what method is going to work for you. So like I said, at home, like, I just get tired of my hair sometimes, and sometimes stuff happens on an accident and it ends up cute, and then I'm like, oh, okay, and I keep wearing it and people start asking me about it. So these three are my favorite ponytail puff looks. Easy natural hair fixes for whatever style you have. I definitely think that they would work best on like a super stretched hair, whether it be a wash and go, flexi rod set, or whatever. But like I said, this wash and go is like super duper old, so these styles always work great for me, and especially because I'm gonna wear it, I try to make my wash and goes last for way longer than what they're supposed to. So definitely my favorite styles. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you guys don't miss any uploads. I'm planning to upload some more quick or favorite natural hair fix videos, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna promise anything, but we may be able to call this a new series. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.